How to stop someone from using your Spotify account. Hello, everybody. Here's how you can do it. So let's just get started. First of all, the thing is you can just go ahead and open up your Spotify. And the thing is you may just go ahead and open up the Spotify into the device and log out. So this is one of the methods you can apply up. For that, go over to your profile in the top left corner, tap on it. And once you tap on it, head over to settings and privacy, tap on it. And from settings and privacy, scroll down and you should be finding a logout option. You may just go ahead and tap on logout and confirm it, and this is one of the way. Otherwise, you can head over the browser version of Spotify, which is open.spotify.com, and then basically log in into your account. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. From this interface, head over to the settings at the top right, tap on it and head over to view account option. And the thing is, you can go ahead and change your password or select the option of logout from all devices. So from the given options, you may scroll down and we have this option of change password. Tap on it and follow the instructions to change your password. You need to enter up your current password. After that, your new password, repeat the new password and tap on set new password. And your password will be changed and you will be logged out of other devices. Or you can just head over to this option of sign out everywhere option. You can just go ahead and tap on this option and confirm it, and you will be signed out from each device. So this is the method you can follow up in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.